What is up, my broken car loving MR2 JDM fanboy homies? We are actually in the process of getting ready to remove the MR2's 3S GTE and 5S FE wiring harness. We're going to be sending it off to Doug at WireGap. Just got off the phone with him. Super cool guy. And he's going to get this turned around for us pretty quick and get us a plug-and-play harness for our 91 MR2. So we're going to do a quick time lapse, show you guys what it looks like tearing it apart. Stay tuned. It's going to come out. I have addictions. Alright guys, I have a confession to make. It's gonna come out. I have addictions. My addiction is Monster. It's gonna come out. If you look in every stinking video, I have a Monster in my hand or on the shelf next to me. It is what it is. Monster. That's how I run. That's how I operate. But man, this thing is insane. Sorry for shaking you guys. Dog's walking by. This literally has like a plate for the throttle body for the throttle body plate. This thing is actually insane. Like, I get that it's got the double butterfly thing. I've seen that before. But my gosh, somebody's gonna tell me that all these gaskets are out of order. You can't order them anymore. They're gone. And this is gonna be horrible. But until then, I'm taking it all apart because I need to get to those injector clips down there. But and then take off the wiring harness. But man, craziness. Guys, I think I would rather do a engine pull on this motor than I would pull that wiring harness apart. Wow. Alright, 5S FE, here you go, brother. Well guys, we have this harness going out to WireGap, and it is so oily. If I had more time, I'd probably take it out and try to wash it out and dry it off and that sort of thing. But we need to get this thing out of here, and it is juicy. I don't want the poor guy to have to get oily, so we're going to try to clean up as much as we can here. It's only on this one side of the harness where it's from the back, it's pounded up. Well guys, we got it all torn apart. We got them both boxed up. Clean that harness up for Doug so he's not totally getting his hands trashed. But we'll be giving you some updates on the MR2 here pretty quick. Please make sure and like and subscribe down below. And we appreciate you guys and talk to you guys soon.